So this is what we're trying to get off, and so far we are not having much luck. That is going to do nothing. Guess not. So we got this hub nut. So I was going to go with the old jack handle. Right. Well, it made a clonking noise, but it didn't rotate it. Sounded promising, but not. You think that was the ratchet giving way? Wowzers! That's how tough they are, but obviously there is a point, right? Oh, I just know this is going to break it. I don't want to break this thing. And the thing is, I can see it. Can see them. See the metal flexing. No, I'm not going to do it. I think the thing to do is get the right tool for the job, right? Rather than break lots of tools that aren't really made for the job. I mean, at the end of the day, these hub nuts have been on for quite some time. I think what we'll do, we'll try manufacture. And if I got a little extension bar, and give myself something, let's face it though, it's going to have to be blooming strong. Okay, bear with. If we drilled a hole through that, slid that through there. No, okay, this is alley. No, steel, metal, alley. No, that's not going to work. A piece of an old something or other. Weld it on, weld it in. No, just bends the pipe, quite simply. It's quite thin-walled tube, yeah, so not great at all, and still no movement on the hub nut. New plan. I've just been down to North Devon Steel Supplies and have bought myself a 2 metre length of relatively thick-walled steel tube. So I think it's, what's that, 2 mil, 3 mil tube, something like that. So plan is take the concept that was, well, attempted to be proven there and apply it to a much more substantial piece of tube. I guess not. So, yet again, I am beaten. I think the concept is a good one. So, new plan. That on the end, slide that into there, weld this here, weld this here, weld the socket to the bar. Alright, so that's what we've ended up with. The welder started playing up, but whatever, it's got something on it, so we'll see what happens. What was turning there? Oh, mind the roof. Oh yeah! Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay, that's one. Let's see if we can get the other one work. Like it wasn't even an effort. So it did work. The only issue now I've got is this is the only 41mm socket I've got, and now it's attached to a 2 meter length of bar that I can't really get off. I can't really reuse this anymore. So it's either out with the angle grinder to chop it off, or I've got a lot of very, very slow turning to do on these hub nuts. So yeah, next job is going to be getting the drive shafts out of the hubs, and I think they are not going to want to move. Catch you later.